One install ruined the big match. You know that moment. 90 minutes in, your team scores and your screen freezes. That is not bad luck. That is a bad provider. I spent several days timing every install on Firestick, watching live football, checking peak hour stability, and hunting for scam red flags. Some services took your money and ghosted you. Others gave a trial that worked perfectly, then collapsed on match day. Here are my top 3 picks that actually held up. Provider number 1, Alfa IPTV 55. I tested this one during a Champions League match and 2 live Serie A games. 0 freeze, 0 buffering, even at peak hours. The install on Firestick was smooth and done in under 3 minutes. Sports channels are well organized with a clean EPG, so you always know what is on. The 3-month plan is $25 and the 12-month plan is $69. Genuinely solid value for what you get. One small note, they do not accept PayPal, so you will need a card or crypto. But support responded within minutes every time I asked. Provider number 2, Kemo IPTV. I watched a full Premier League match and a basketball playoff game here. Picture quality was sharp and the stream stayed stable throughout. The sports section is well stocked with major European leagues and PPV events. The 3-month plan costs $29 and the 6-month plan is $36. They do not currently list a 12-month plan, so check the other tiers on their site if you want a longer commitment. Light drawback, the channel list is slightly smaller than Alfa IPTV 55, but reliability during live events made up for it. Provider number 3, Marinios IPTV. I tested this one during a high-stakes match in peak hours and it held perfectly. Impressive stability. The interface is clean and the VOD library is one of the largest I have seen. The 3-month plan is $29 and the 12-month plan is $63, which is fair for the content volume on offer. Small drawback, the app setup takes a couple more steps than the others, but once it is running, it is rock solid. I used Visiona, our free player at visiona.tv on App Store and Google Play, to run most of these tests, and it paired well with all 3. Final verdict, number 1, Alfa YPTV 55, best stability and price combo. Number 2, Kemo IPTV, sharp quality and reliable live sports. Number 3, Marinios IPTV, huge content library and strong peak hour performance. All links are in the description and pinned comment. Go grab a trial before the next match kicks off.